Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jules and today I am going over my very first Trunk Club shipment. The way I'm going to format this video today is by using the recommended style and outfit suggestions that my stylist sent me. So you can see how they would recommend things be styled, and I'll also be adding my own tips on how to style the different pieces. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks so much for coming. In this video, let's play a game and in the comments, guess which items I am picking. I will let you know if you are right or wrong. So remember, all the outfits I'm going to show you are what the stylist suggested, except for one thing, which are these earrings, which are actually mine. They are replacing these beautiful Kate Spade cubic zirconia earrings in rose gold. I really like these earrings. However, these ones are a lot cheaper and very similar. Since I knew I wasn't going to buy them, I didn't want to try them on because I'm sure someone else would appreciate me not wearing them, especially if I don't want them. Those are the only things that I've substituted myself, but everything will be exactly as my stylist suggested. So I'm going to start off with this jacket. It is a drape front suede jacket from Blank NYC. So it's very soft. It has these unfinished hems, which are really trendy right now. I'm a little nervous about wearing it. It rains a lot where I live, and it's definitely something that feels very nice that I wouldn't want to get ruined in the rain. However, I love the color, I love the cut, I love all this kind of drape front styling along with sort of the motorcycle-esque feel. So this would look really great, of course, with jeans and then with black pants, for dresses, for going out at night, dressing down during the day. I really like versatile pieces, and this is one that can definitely be dressed up or dressed down. So here is the sweater I am wearing underneath. It is from Madewell in Heather Rose. So it is a very pinky shirt. I think it looks great for fall. It is quite straight and the sleeves are kind of interesting. They just go straight down. They're not a bell sleeve or anything, but it is soft and it is Madewell, so you know it is going to be made well. So I don't know how I feel about the color, and I can't remember. I may have asked her to change the color to this, and then the color came in much more pink than I thought it would. Oh, and everything will be linked down below in the comments with the names and the sizes that I had. Moving on, these are articles of society. It's called their Saris skinny jean. So as you can see, they're slightly distressed. I have really mixed feelings about distressed jeans because I love them, but I have trouble paying money for them when I can only wear them on the weekends, but I still love them, so I'm always torn. They have a great unfinished hem at the bottom, so they're very trendy. They're really soft, really comfortable. However, they don't really fit over my booty. They don't stay up. However, I do think they make my booty look kind of good. So again, super soft, super torn about the distressing. They aren't crazy expensive jeans. I think she put some expensive jeans on there and I said no, don't send those are too expensive, and these are what she replaced them with. Okay, so next we have to talk about these shoes. Oh my gosh, ladies, these boots are slaying. I love them. They are just, oh, they are so perfect. These are the Sadie Angle Zip Bootie from Edelman. They are pretty comfortable to walk in. They're pretty high, so it keeps your ankle really secure. I love these boots. They're so comfortable. They are a little pricier. So this next outfit I'm in love with. This shirt is from Blue and Gray. It is their signature, well, it's technically their striped signature top, shirt tail top. I think I completely butchered that. Again, I'll link it below, but it is so soft. Like, this could be a pajama shirt. You could sleep in it, live in it. This is the like softness of shirt that is so great. And I love this detailing right here. It just adds a little extra interest to the top. Makes it a notch above just sort of a basic tee, making it a little bit interesting, a little more fashionable. You could wear this with absolutely anything. Wear it to work with jeans, under coats. It's just a really great top that just has so many purposes. Online, the color looked a lot more light, and this is definitely a light pink, but again, oh, I love it. My one complaint is that, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I'm not going to draw a lot of attention to it, is that you can see my bra underneath and see kind of the outline, and that there is a little bit of lace in the middle of this bra. I don't know, I don't like walking around and people being able to see my bra and sort of the details. Again, I don't know, we'll see. So moving on down, these are Wit and Wisdom Super skinny, soft, or super soft skinny jeans. And as you can see, they are paired with the Edelman boots again. So I love Wit and Wisdom jeans. They are so comfortable, they're so slimming, they come up nice and high. And so it gives you those slimming panels, and they're just, oh, so soft. And I didn't tell this to the stylist, but I was looking for a new pair of dark jeans, and these ones just very well may be it. They are a bit long, but that's not anything new for me, just because I am 5'5", so I'm used to having to get pants hemmed, and I could definitely see me wearing these on the town, to work, on the weekends. They're really just those great all-purpose dark jeans that work in fall and winter. Okay, so for this next outfit, I'm gonna do it kind of quickly because I am burning up. This sweater is so warm. It is a Madewell sweater. It is the Kent cardigan, so it's very long. As you can see, it hits my knees, and again, I am 5'5", so if you're taller, it probably comes up higher than that, so whatever inches that you're different, you can use that as a measuring tool. The sleeves are a little long, but I think that's fine for kind of this big, drapey, cozy, very, very warm cardigan. Trying not to panic. I really like this cardigan. I told the stylist I really liked neutrals. She came up with this, it's kind of purpley, pinky, grayish, heathered. Let me come up close and maybe you can see a little bit. So it does have these slits in them I really like, which keeps it from feeling too boxy. Being shorter, I do feel like long cardigans like this can sort of cut me off and give me weird proportions, but I think as long as you tuck in the shirt you're wearing underneath, to, you know, remind the world that your legs are up here and that the cardigan is just really long and it's not like your whole body is that long, then you have these little legs. I really like this cardigan. It is so cozy and warm, and it's just amazing. Okay, so underneath, this is Madewell's boyfriend, boyfriend top. It is very boxy like the boyfriend shirt would be. It is a long sleeve shirt. Take off the sweater. Oh my gosh, the room just got 10 degrees cooler. Sleeves come right where they should. The shoulders are oversized, give it that boyfriend look. However, a boyfriend would probably have longer arms. It is very long and very boxy, and it does go quite long in the back. It has this weird kind of pooch over my boot. And then of course I'm wearing still the Articles of Society jeans, having sort of that boyfriend twist, and the long drapey cardigan and sort of the distressed jeans sort of make it a very relaxed outfit, but there are ways you could dress it up by wearing those Wit and Wisdom jeans that I was wearing earlier. So taking out the distressing, darker wash, and then of course tucking in the shirt. I don't think I would ever wear this untucked. It's just not really my style. But if it's your style, that's fine. So this again is from Madewell, and it's a size small. Okay, now I want to talk about these Mules. They are from Caslon, which I love their shoes. They always look so good, but then when I try them on, they always fit me funny. Or maybe that's just lately, I'm not sure. This is a size 8.5, and I'm usually between an 8 and an 8.5, so it's really tight against the heel there. But these are their pink Mules. I think they're okay. For some reason, I can't get the imaging out of my mind that these look like beaks on my feet. I was walking in them earlier, and I don't know if anyone else has problems walking in Mules. Maybe I just have no coordination at all, but I immediately kicked off one of the shoes and was stepping out of them barefoot. So I don't know if these are for me. That might be giving it away in the comments, but I just described them as looking like beaks on my feet. So don't be surprised if I say that I didn't pick these ones. All right, so this last outfit is mostly J. Crew. It is a J. Crew blazer, again with the Madewell top I just showed you, and then the J. Crew pants. And of course they're being paired again with the pink Caslon Mules. So this is the J. Crew Park blazer in Heather Caramel. I really love this color. It is so expensive looking and luxurious. It screams fall. This is totally the time of year to be wearing a blazer like this. It is a bit longer if you see where my sleeves end and where the blazer ends. It is longer than the sleeves. Of course, it is a J. Crew blazer, and so that means it is a little bit more expensive. I just noticed the lining, it has sort of the same stripe colored along with this pop of mustard yellow that's really in right now too. I really like this blazer. You could dress it down with jeans just as easily. That's what I love about blazers, is you can wear them pretty much with anything at any time. So yeah, no, I really like this. All right, so moving on down again, these are the only dress pants that were sent. These are also from J. Crew. They are their Cameron 4-season crop pants. They have this really interesting detail along the back. They've got a really cool seam, which I think is really flattering, a little different than just your traditional kind of black pant. As you can see, when things are cropped or ankle length, they come out to be really close to just normal pant length for me. They're really comfortable. I really like them and kind of everything about them. The thing is, I have a lot of black pants that I really love already, and I'm not sure that I'm in the market for black pants. So I might just sort of file this away and remember it for next time. I will say they do not have pockets, which makes, you know, that kind of nice flattering front. However, you know, of course, that's not really helpful for when you're carrying your phone around. They do have back pockets. Sorry, let me bend down so you can see them. But they are nice, they are sewn shut. But I really like these pants. Again, they're comfortable. Alright, so that was my very first trunk club. I had such a great experience working with a stylist picking pieces. She really listened to what I had to say. I told her I wanted neutrals and things that could work for work and on the weekends, and she pretty much nailed it on the head the first try. So I think I forgot to mention it at the beginning, but nothing in this video is sponsored, so this is all my honest review and opinion of everything. If you made it this far, please subscribe. I would love to have you back. Thanks again so much for watching my Trunk Club review for fall 2018. I'm Jules, and I'll see you next time. Bye.